Hello everyone and welcome to our journey to the only place Earthlings have ever landed so far. On the account of 50th moon landing anniversary, on behalf of Astron Era, I am pleased to meet you all in this special course, The Mysterious Moon. The satellite that is responsible for providing us with stable climate is the brightest and largest object in our night sky. By creating tides, Moon has made our lives rhythmic and melodious. It has always been the simplest navigator and the light in the dark sky. Let us go through the journey to the Moon and understand the fun stuff about the natural satellite of the Earth. So tighten up your seat belts as we are about to land on the surface of this cratered beauty.